It's Saturday. I got this fucking old guy came with me. He's eating popcorn already. We got tools. We are in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Going to meet the weirdest dude we know. Hit the gravel, baby. This guy's got something going on. There's no less than 17 satellite dishes on this house. Wild. Alright, it's Saturday. Me and E are loaded in the Safari. We're 2 hours away from home. And we are pulling up to a junkyard in an undisclosed location because I don't want people to go find it in the honey hole now. We're going to meet the coolest, weirdest dude we know, Jason Brunskill. Eric's trying to blur his face out. I'll blur it in post.
No, I don't want to know where this place is.
Oh yeah, yeah. Eric doesn't know the address. He did. After 7 attempts of us both going to different ATMs, we've secured cash today in the city. Eric's eating popcorn.
Yeah.
Somebody might have to take a poop at the junkyard. I don't know. But when we see Brunskill here in a minute, it's supposed to be like right here. Ooh, we're getting close.
I can smell the gasoline.
Here, bud. Nope.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, this is Jason's house.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, he brought us to his house, not the junkyard. Holy mother of Lord, look at all these. Dude.
Look at that Nissan Versa.
Look at that Nissan Versa.
That's.
Tell us about the Versa, Eric. I know you're a Nissan expert after working at the car auction this whole time.
I don't really know.
Look what's lurking back there, dude. What's that in the trees?
It looks like a 59.
Got the mail Jeep. We got the Econolines. He's a Ford guy. He's got the Chicken Mary's G20 Jeepster. All right. Oh, it's my guy.
Oh,
We've arrived.
Watch out, the quick draw.
We've arrived.
That's why he's taking the long route.
You notice he doesn't have a license plate? He ain't got no fucking license plate.
I don't need none down here.
Tremendous. Fucking Brunskill. The Coyote Killer. That's what he needs to name that van.
That's
I know
a chicken
it's the
choker.
Chicken Shack van.
That's
He
the
needs
chicken choker.
yeah. He needs one. He needs to call one the Coyote Killer. That's the Jeep, maybe, on the sand tires.
Oh yeah. Mitch and Metheny stockpile.
Mitch and Bethany.
Gotta go make some money today.
That's fucking Astro right there. Boo! After several hours, one trip to Harbor Freight for a battery inverter to charge batteries. A smashed finger. Eric kind of just disappeared for 4 hours earlier. We don't know what he was doing. We've disassembled this entire RV. Now Jason doesn't have a home. So, Jason, what's your Instagram? If they want to hit you up about finding cool parts.
Formerly RV Auto Body.
So if you want cool, you saw some of the shit in the video already. So if you need car parts, hit up Jason. I'll link his Instagram below. If you got a van, hit up Jason. If you're just cool in general, hit him up. Eric's hiding from the camera. He's on a Uncle Jerry situation here. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, Jason. You're the man. You'll see more of him later. We'll convince him to do an interview soon. But fuck yeah. Now we can build the van.